Now, while solving the problem, Laplace transform of constant functions, exponential function, trigonometrical functions, we have to calculate Laplace transform of all these functions. Then, while solving the problem, some trigonometrical formulas are also important. Now, while solving problems, these trigonometrical formulas are important. That's why we are giving that set of some trigonometrical formulas. Now, these formulas are important. 2 sin A cos B equal to sin A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Means Laplace transform of sin A cos B, sin t cos 3t. If you want to calculate sin and cos, then we can use this formula. In the same way, 2 cos A sin B equals to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A cos B equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Another formula, 2 sin A sin B equals to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. These four formulas are important while solving the Laplace transform of some given function. Then how to use these formulas I will explain in the problem. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A and sin square equal to sin square A equals to 1 minus cos 2A by 2 and cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Sin h cube x equal to sin h 3x minus 3 sin hx by 4. Another formula, cos h cube x equal to cos h 3x plus 3 cos hx by 4. Cos cube x equals to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. Sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Now, these trigonometrical formulas are very important while solving the Laplace transform problems. Then, how to apply these formulas I will explain in the problem. Right? These are the very important formulas I gave you here, 1 to 27. Mostly we will use these formulas only. If you know these formulas, then automatically 80% of the Laplace transform is over. Right?